Okay, here I will show you how to install NetBeans. Okay, first of all, I will share the link with you. Okay, this is the link I will share with you. So here we have different types of operating system. This one is for Linux, this one is for Mac, this one is for Windows, and this one is Windows 64-bit. Because I have operating system, that means I have Windows 10 with 64-bit. Okay, I will show you how to check. Just right click on this PC and click on properties, and after that here you can see I have system type. Okay, this one is 64-bit. 64-bit. Okay, so here I have also same thing. This one is 64-bit, so I will download this one. Just click this one. See here you can see it's going to be downloaded. As I have downloaded this before, so I will cancel this. Okay, but you have to download like this. Okay, so after downloading you can see you will get the file like this. Okay, JDK 8UU 8.2 64-bit. Okay, just double click. So it may take a little bit time also, but so be patient. So after that click on yes. So it depends on your computer configuration. If you have good configuration, you can install very fast. Otherwise, it may take a little bit time. But don't worry, it will be installed easily, inshallah. So you can see 10%, 15%. See here. After that, click here on next. Okay. So again, click on next. Check for update. This no need. There's no need for update. Okay. Just click on install. So this portion it may take time. Okay. So you should be patient. So I will pause this video. Okay. Now my installation has completed, and here you can see setup complete. Okay. After that, you have to uncheck this option and click on finish. So now you can see I have a logo on my desktop, this NetBeans IDE. Just double click. So this program will open. So here you can see NetBeans IDE 8.2. It has completed. So I will show you the main page. So while installing, keep in mind it may take 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. So it may take longer time. If your PC is very slow, it may take longer time. So be patient. So you can see this is the main page. Okay.